Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure neighborhood risk scoring with RiskMeter, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure neighborhood risk scoring with RiskMeter, start by logging into your RiskMeter account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the neighborhood risk section. Click on the configure button to access the settings. Select the area for which you want to assess risk. Enter the relevant address or coordinates in the search bar. Once the location is found, click on Load Data to retrieve information. Review the existing risk parameters displayed on the screen. Adjust the risk scoring metrics according to your specific needs. Utilize the available filters to narrow down the data set. Incorporate any additional factors that may influence risk scores. Save your customized settings by clicking the Save Configuration button. Wait for the system to process and confirm the changes. After saving, revisit the Neighborhood Risk section to view the updated scores. Analyze the risk levels to make informed decisions based on the data. Utilize the export feature if you need to share the configurations with your team. Regularly revisit the settings to ensure they align with any changes in data or methodology. Stay updated with RiskMeter's latest features for optimal risk assessment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.